Hello, my name is Catalina Sanchez, and in this video I talking about the things I have changed since I was a little girl. So okay, in this picture I was 3 years old. When I was 3 years old, my hair was very short and black. I was brunette skin and I was very fatty and chubby chicken. When I was 3 years old, I like play with my friends, I like play with my dolls, and I like to play with other children, and I like to go to the garden and allow about everything. My mom told me stories before sleeping, and I loved it. I love it to wear dress. I like to have my birthday celebrate with piñata, and I love eat a lot of cake. In this picture I was 6 years old. When I was 6 years old, I always play with my cousin and my friends, and we played with dolls and stuffed animals. I always share with my cousin, and I was taller than they. Now my cousin, the name Hierolys, is taller than me and much tinier. He is also younger and even more at school. In this picture I was 9 years old. When I was 9 years old, my mom celebrated my birthday with my friends from school. I have a little longer straight and black hair. I was in elementary school and I like to play with my friends. I like reading and I like drawing and painting, and I love to make me brains in my hair. In this picture I was 13 years old. When I was 13 years old, I was in a school musical band, and I like to play the lyre. I went out to para with the world band through the city. In this picture I was 15 years old. When I was 15 years old, I have braces. My hair was longer and black. In the picture I was celebrating my college graduation. When I was 16 years old, my braids are removed. I went to university and started study dentistry. Currently I am 18 years old and I am 4th semester. I like to share with my friends. I like to go to the movies. I like to travel. I like to read. I like to play field tennis, and I am responsible and cheerful. I really like my university and my career. And currently I don't know play any toys. Actually, I am sure my hair is black and long. I am short-sighted. When I was a little, I didn't have glasses. I really like play tennis. I like share with my friends and my family. I like to cook and learn new things. Mm, I like to ride a bike with my friends. I love chocolate and I love macadamia ice cream. Um, I have, sorry, I can go out with my friends and meet people. I can cook more things than when I was a girl. I have to do my jobs without being told. I have to wake up early every morning. Um, I must make my breakfast and dinner a difference. I was a little girl. In the past, my mom helped me with my homework. Now I have alone. A new responsibility that I have is to be ordered with my things. I must be ordered with my uniform, organize my time to study, practice and rest. Also look for my patients for my internship because I study dentistry, which is a career that requires a lot of responsibility, patience, and dedications. Okay, this is all. Thanks for attention. Bye.